Chapter 4: Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a union territory of India. The names Andaman and Nicobar are taken from the Malay language. The name is often shortened to ANN Islands or ANI. The islands are in the Indian Ocean, in the southern part of the Bay of Bengal. It is made of two island groups, the Andaman Islands and the Nicobar Islands, separating the Andaman Sea to the east from the Indian Ocean. These islands have the only active volcano in India, Barren Island. These islands are also uninhabited. It also has the lowest point in India, the Indira Point. Port Blair is the capital of this union territory. It is also the entry point into the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The city is well connected to mainland India via both airways and seaways. Port Blair is well known for its INS Jarwa of the Indian Navy, the first tri-command of the Armed Forces of India. The city is also home to the historical cellular jail and many quaint islands nearby. Like Cobbins Cove, Nail Island, Ross Island, Rutland Island, Viper Island, Jolly Boy Island, and Barren Island. The mainland of Port Blair connects to local attractions such as the scenic Vandoor Beach famous for swimming, and coral sighting, and Chidiya Tappu, a small beach famous for bird watching and catching the sunset. The Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park is west of Port Blair and is the oldest national park in the Andaman Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands comprises 572 islands, only 37 of which are inhabited, and a few are open to tourists. Havelock and Nail Islands are popular among tourists for their white sandy beaches and excellent diving options. Havelock Island is one of the largest and the most popular islands of all Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Havelock Island is named after a British general and comprises Ritchie's archipelago and a collection of 5 villages including Sham Nagar, Vijay Nagar, Radhangar, Krishna Nagar and Govinda Nagar. The southern coast of the Havelock Island has the charming Radhangar beach, while the SO beauty of Vijay Nagar beach is situated towards the east of the island. Talking of another island, perhaps the most enduring feature of Nail Island is its 3 sandy beaches, namely Bharatpur Beach, Sitapur Beach and Lakshmanpur Beach. Nail Island is the major supplier of vegetables to most regions of the Andaman Islands. Elephant Beach and Kalapathar Beach are 2 other destinations where the sunrise and sunsets are divine. Andamans give the opportunity of trying out several water sports such as scuba diving, snorkeling, sea walk, etc. North Bay Island near Port Blair, Elephant Beach in Havelock Island, and Bharatpur Beach in Nail Island are the 3 popular beaches to try out water sports. Dugongs can be found grazing peacefully on sea grass in the warm coastal waters of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These creatures, also called the Angel of the Sea, can be spotted at Ritchie's archipelago, North Reef, Little Andaman and parts of Nicobar. So, when are you heading for a culture trip to the Andaman and Nicobar Islands?